I speak English well, but I just don't know the exam.
I know I must use complex sentences, but I'm not sure how.
I know what I want to say and write, but I feel stressed.
Sometimes in the listening they speak so fast.
I need 7, but I am only getting 6 every time.
For me, there is not enough time in the exam to finish everything.
Does that sound familiar? Well, I'm here to help you tackle those problems and so much more. I'm James, the head tutor here at IELTS Step by Step. And in this Mastering All Skills 7+ course, you're probably getting the most comprehensive IELTS online preparation course in the world. I'm an ex-IELTS examiner, I've been teaching for over 20 years, and I've personally done a whole load of IELTS exams, so I know the exam like the back of my hand. In this course, there are hundreds of tips, tricks, techniques, real past papers with step-by-step feedback, plenty of exercises, and a fast-track option to help you get through the course if you don't have time to do everything. This course will help you to focus on what's important and what can safely be ignored. So stop wasting your time and let me help you.
This course saved my life. The fast track was an incredible help. I got an 8.
I was exactly looking for a course like this. I got an overall band 8.
I did the exam and got 6.5. I took this course, did the exam again, and got 8 easily.
Within a month, I improved my score from band 5.5 to 8. Highly recommended.
I'd taken private courses from teachers face-to-face. However, I can say honestly, this course is the best.
So, what are you waiting for? Join more than 25,000 other people from all over the world who have also benefited from IELTS step-by-step courses and get that high grade that you deserve.